the door.
It is. Look, there's two. There's another one further out. I think last time we were here in Kusadasi, we were on this ship about 6 years ago. Please. So this is Ladies Beach in Kusadasi. It's about 5 minutes from the ship, and the taxi, we share the taxi, 5 of us, cost us €10, and it'll be €10 going the other way. And we're at the nearest point of the beach to where the ship is. So the ship is over that way. And we paid €7 for a sunbed, and you get an umbrella as well. Beer prices, most important thing. Big beer, big Efes beer is about £3.50. You've got cocktails, soft drinks, coffees, and they all come from that next bar, which is just over there, past the umbrellas. So yeah, we weren't expecting to come here today. We just thought we'd have a wander around the market, and then yesterday's temperature was so hot, we thought we need to have a little dip in the sea, so we thought we'd try it. And it's not the Caribbean, it's not the best beach, but it's done the job for today. So we're here till about 3:30, then we get collected by the taxi man and back to the ship. So yeah, that's all for now. I'll speak to you later. Bye. So back into the solarium for a bit of peace and shelter from the heat. It's been so hot today, but in here it's lovely and warm, but it's a lot of baking heat. It's a nice time to have a nice chill and a couple of drinks. Dale's got the goods. Yeah, right. Cheers. We're off to the main dining room tonight, and then we've got a show to see in the 270 called The Book, which is very highly recommended. So we'll catch up with you a bit later. Bye.
So that was the book. It was an amazing show, and I hope it came across on the vlog as good as it did when we were watching it in the 270. We stopped off on the way back for a drink in the Bionic Bar and then off to bed. We've got an early start in the morning as we're visiting the most amazing island of Mykonos. So please, if you haven't already, subscribe and then you won't miss our next vlog.
Thanks for watching.